Washers are critical to the operation of virtually every machine or device with moving parts. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. With an almost limitless variety of washers available, it's important to select the optimal washer for your application. Now, the wrong washer can result in machine downtime and lost production costs. Bokers Inc. understands the optimal washer selection is critical for assembly applications. An industry manufacturer with over a century of experience, Bokers offers expertise and capability along with a vast range of washers. Whatever style or material you require from your washers, Bokers has you covered. From the basic types of washers to custom, innovative styles, Bokers works with you to ensure your washers are the right fit. Certain applications require washers to be made from specific materials to withstand environmental conditions. Any type of material that can be stamped can be made into a washer. And Bokers has a wide variety of materials on hand to create what you need. So don't be overwhelmed by choice. Speak to the experts at Bokers and get it right the first time. More information, find out Bokers range of washers at bokers.com. And thanks for watching.